Our Rube Goldberg is a burglar alarm system where we planned what would happen in an event of a break-in. So the burglar breaks in, is in the process of looking for valuables when a slinky catches his eye. And not just a slinky, a colorful slinky, and of course, the burglar will kick it and set our entire Rube Goldberg project into action, where at the end, a burglar alarm goes off and alerts everyone to the burglar. Up here, and then the wheel will just flip like that.
And then go.
Let's go! No!
It's going.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god!
Did it work? Okay. Both the sides, huh? Just doing it for you. Wait, my happened. Okay. Oh, I mean.
Okay. Why is it down?
Nope, didn't work.
It did fall. Just kick it. This is like.
This one magnet.
Oh my
How did that? Okay.
The burglar knocks the slinky down the stairs, which is the energy transfer from the elastic energy to kinetic energy. At the bottom of the stairs, the slinky lands on the wheel, which spins and pulls the seesaw up. The circular motion turns into kinetic energy. The spinning wheel tilts the seesaw up, which has a car on it. This is a transfer from kinetic energy to gravitational energy. The car that is attached to the block by a string goes down the seesaw, which pulls a block off a track for the marbles.
Balls are released, and as they roll down the ramp, giving us EG to EK energy transfer, then the marbles roll into a cup. Because of the weight of the marbles, the pulley goes up. As the pulley goes up, the marbles that are made up of magnet are released and they roll down the cones while collecting magnets at the bottom, which shows a centripetal force. The magnets then hit the train to start movement along the track, which is inelastic collision. The train falls off the tracks, which is attached to a string that pulls the hanger across the room when released.
The hanger hits the dominoes, knocking them down in EK to EG. The last domino activates the mousetrap in EK to EE. The mousetrap pulls a block off the ramp and allows the car to roll down in EE to EG. The car turns on the power bar, which also turns on the hairdryer in EK to EE. The hairdryer blows the soccer ball into the dominoes in EK to EG, and the last one knocks the car off the ledge, which causes the stylus to call another phone in EG to EK. The other phone vibrates and falls into the button, which activates the burglar alarm in EK to EG.
Ready? Yeah. Like this much? It's too easy. Okay, go like this much. Go down. Yeah. Oh!
Whoa! Okay. Wait, with the camera.
Okay. Okay, so why are we...
No, it's your turn.
No, I know! No. I'm breaking my... Here.
I was dying, like, right...
You didn't come back. You're taking a car on a walk! Stop.
What's a shallot? Is that a fish? Is weight gain and obesity the same thing?
Not going.
Is bean a protein?
Why did both miss?
Move, Thomas. Don't move, Thomas.
Okay.
What happened?